In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish your website on Carrd, a platform that's perfect for creating beautiful, simple one-page websites. If you've designed your site and you're ready to share it with the world, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First off, you'll need to open the Carrd editor and focus on designing your one-page website. This is the fun part where you get creative by adding different elements and features that will bring your vision to life. Spend some time here to ensure your website looks and functions just the way you want it. Once you've put the finishing touches on your design, it's time to take the next step. In the Carrd editor, you'll notice a Publish button. Go ahead and click on this button. Clicking it will bring up the publishing options, opening up a world of choices for how your website will appear to the public. Now set your website title and description. This is an important part of the process because your title will show up in search engine results and in browser tabs. Think of something that accurately represents your site and is likely to catch the eye of potential visitors. Next, for the description, you want something concise and SEO friendly. A well-crafted description will help search engines understand your site and improve your visibility online. With your title and description set, it's time to decide on the domain option you want for your site. Here with Carrd, you have a couple of choices. You can opt for a free Carrd subdomain. This means your website address would look something like your website.carrd.co. If you're just starting out, this is a hassle-free way to get your site up and running quickly. Alternatively, if you prefer a more personalized touch, you can publish your site to a custom domain, such as your own domain.com. However, there are a few additional steps involved if you choose this option. Make sure you have your custom domain registered before you try to use it on Carrd. You can register a domain with numerous providers out there, including Cloudflare, Namecheap, or Porkbun, just to name a few. Once you've decided and set up your domain option, whether you're using a Carrd subdomain or a custom domain, you're closing in on the finish line. If you've set up a custom domain, double check that everything is configured properly to avoid any hiccups. Finally, with everything in place, hover over to that trusty Publish button once more and click it to make your Carrd website live. And there you have it. With just a few steps, your website is now live and ready for visitors from around the world. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you're excited to share your work with others. Thanks for watching and happy publishing.